Hey folks, I just wanted to share with you an issue that I was having with the DJI FPV battery. There seems to be a lot of people having the same issue, so I figure I'd share my findings. So if you just turn it on without cable, if you try to turn it on without cable, basically it's not going to do anything. It's like it's not really working. If you use a regular USB-C cable, that didn't come with the DJI drone, and you try to do the same, it doesn't work either. It just doesn't do anything. So two things that I found. You gotta use the DJI FPV cable that came with it. And the other thing that I found out is that you have to really push the cable in all the way. You have to hear like a click. Let's see if you could hear it. You just say click. And then now I'm able to use the battery and the battery fully activate. If I just push the cable, let's see, if I just put it in, just simply like that, and I try to turn it on, it will not work. So you just gotta make sure that you push the cable all the way through. You hear like a click, and that really an indicator that is all the way through, and it's almost like it activates the battery. And so just something that I learned that I figured I'd share with you guys, because I struggled with this for a month, thinking that the battery went bad, but it was really the fact that I was using the wrong cable, or trying to use the wrong cable, or just try to turn it on just to see if it's working, and not realizing that it won't work without the right cable, and that is all the way push into the battery. So hope this helped. Take care. Bye.